So Jamie showed you guys how our AC is leaking into the camper. I am assuming that it's probably because either the drain hose or something is plugged. So I figured if I'm up here, might as well check everything. I am going to be honest, I have no idea what I'm doing. But after 3 years of having the camper, this is how it looks when I take that cover off. So I'm going to try to take this, looks like some sort of styrofoam insulation. There's 2 Phillips. And then we'll see what's underneath that. Oh, I guess I did not have to take those brackets off, guys. Let me put those brackets back in. Oh no, I do have to take it off. I don't. Like I said, I have no idea what I'm doing. It definitely could have. Give a little bit more room in here. So I'm not sure if that's the problem or not, but seems to me that obviously this is the condenser. And this right here is an insulation, and it's supposed to be a drain pan at the same time, right? Because this will drip water, and it looks to me that that channel is supposed to allow the water to come out on both sides. And then after that, the main pan has holes so the water could go and just drip down the ceiling, the roof. But looks like we have sting bug nest in here, and we were not really draining. Do we have a vacuum?
I do.
I'm not talking about a house vacuum, because I don't think power washing first was a good idea. guess I'll go get a shop vac and we'll be back. So I managed to pull the condenser out. You guys can see all the stink bugs that are been clogging my drain. But unfortunately, with the design that they did on this AC unit, I think I gotta unbolt all this too, so I can lift this up and pull this insulation and drain pan, and they just made everything into one, you know, just to make it more difficult. So let me set this camera up, and then hopefully I bought the right tools. I have no idea if I fixed the problem or not. But it definitely looks cleaner in here. And we don't have any more sting bugs. So now I just gotta put the cover back on and then put that cover back. And that should be it. Hey babe,
Yeah.
I need you to let me practice finding holes because I had a hard time finding the holes. Is that a yes or a no?
We'll see.
No matter what you men do, they'll never give it up easy, huh?
You said I do, so.
You said you do too. Well, I guess we'll find out if I broke anything or not. Go ahead, babe. Seems like it turned on. Well, let's hope it's not leaking in the camper anymore. And if it doesn't, then I guess rather than having to bring it in to get it serviced, guys, this is it. We'll find out in a little bit once Jamie goes and checks. And then we'll let you know. But I'm almost sure that was it because that's the only thing that makes sense to me.
There's no dripping. But we do need to clean that on the inside. That's really gross.
One last thing before we can get off the roof.
Hi.
Oh, hello, babe. So,
That's the solar panel.
these damn sting bugs get everywhere. So I figured I have the shop back up here anyway. Might as well try cleaning this too.